Across the world, corn is one of the most broadly valuable crops in modern agriculture. Each year, global production exceeds 1.2 billion tons, grown across vast areas in many countries. Not only the ears, but almost the entire corn plant is used for different purposes. From food and industrial processing to animal feed, every part of the plant enters a chain of use. It is this ability to make use of nearly the entire structure of the plant that gives corn such high value. From this point, harvesting processes are organized according to specific goals of use, beginning directly in the field and continuing without interruption across different production areas. Beginning in sweet corn fields, the harvester moves into each row, and the gathering unit pulls the stalks inside. Right there, the ears are separated from the stalks while still being kept whole. The flow of corn is carried onto the rear conveyor and continues moving in the direction of the machine. The ears then slide one after another into holding bins or into vehicles running alongside. As the machine keeps advancing, the separation and transfer of the corn continue without interruption. Each row is processed in sequence, creating a continuous harvest flow across the entire field. The machine and conveyor system work in coordination, moving the product out of the field during harvest itself and maintaining a steady pace between rows. From the stream of corn that has just been separated, transport vehicles begin taking part in the next stage. Trucks move beside the harvester to receive the corn directly from the conveyor. When a container is full, the vehicle leaves its position and moves to the edge of the field. Immediately after that, another vehicle moves in to replace it, keeping the harvesting process from being interrupted. The transport flow continues one trip after another, from the harvester to the collection area. The vehicles keep cycling between the field and the gathering point, ensuring that the corn is removed from the field as soon as it is harvested. The entire transport system operates in rhythm with the machine, maintaining continuous speed between trips. After leaving the field, the sweet corn is brought to the receiving area for further handling. The containers are unloaded and emptied onto a large conveyor system. The flow of ears continues through sorting sections, where the product is separated by size and quality. Ears that meet the standard are kept, while the rest are removed from the line. The corn is not washed directly, but handled dry in order to preserve freshness. After sorting, the product is moved to the packaging area or sent into the cooling system. From there, the corn is prepared for the next transport stages to markets or processing plants through a continuous workflow. After the ears have been harvested and sent away for handling, the remaining parts of the corn plant continue to be used in another direction. In corn fields intended for livestock feed, large harvesters enter the field with greater size and higher capacity. Instead of separating individual ears, the machine cuts the entire corn plant row by row. Immediately after that, the plants are fed into an integrated chopping system inside the machine. The cutting blades work continuously, turning the whole plant into small feed material. This stream of material is pushed up through a discharge spout and transferred into vehicles moving alongside. Throughout the process, the machine and the vehicles move in coordination, keeping a stable distance and maintaining a continuous working rhythm across the entire field. When a vehicle is full of chopped material, it leaves the field and moves to the processing area in one trip after another. Another vehicle immediately moves in to replace it and continue receiving material from the machine. The transport system works in a continuous loop, ensuring that no interruption occurs during harvesting. The travel routes are kept stable, allowing the material flow to leave the field at high speed. Each vehicle follows the next, creating a continuous transport stream from the field to the processing area, fully synchronized with the operating speed of the harvester. At the processing area, the material is unloaded into a silage zone or a handling area to continue the chain of use. The vehicles unload one after another onto a large storage surface. A bulldozer moves in, spreading each layer of material evenly and creating a stable flat surface. After that, compaction vehicles press the surface tightly to remove air. Once the required level of compaction is reached, the area is fully covered to begin the fermentation process. In some cases, the material is transferred directly to feed production plants. Layer after layer of material continues to be handled without interruption, completing the full large-scale use of the entire corn plant.